Samsung has recently launched a bunch of mid-range smartphones in Malaysia. There's the Galaxy A50, the M20 and also the A30. But today I have the A30 with me, so let's unbox it. Okay, so let's get into it. At first, you will be greeted with this box, and inside you will have your soft silicone case, a quick start guide, and also a bunch of paper and warranty card. Okay, then there's the A30 itself, which I will talk about it later. And there is a USB-C cable, a standard headphones, and also a 15-watt charging brick. Okay, and at the bottom you will see there's the SIM ejector tool. So let's open this up. Okay, wait. Brand new. While the A30 is starting up, let's talk about its design. So this one I have here is the black version, and there's another two versions that comes in blue and also white. On the right side, you can see there's the volume rocker and the power button. On the bottom, there's the USB-C port, a headphone jack, and also speaker grills. And on the left side, actually it's quite clear. As you can see, there's nothing much. There's only the SIM tray. So let's see what is inside. Let's take out the SIM ejector tool. Okay. So it has a dedicated slot for micro SD card, which means that if you don't have enough storage, you can add more. And there's two slots for nano SIM. And at the back, there's a dual camera setup and also a rear mounted fingerprint scanner instead of an in-display fingerprint scanner like the Galaxy A50. As you can see, there's also a glossy back that's made from curved 3D plastic. And that actually basically means it's a combination of plastic and glass. Now we have started this phone, let's take a look at the front of the device. So this device has a 6.4-inch Infinity U display. But why is it called the Infinity U display? This is because it has a U-shaped notch that houses the selfie camera itself. And what's interesting is that the Infinity U display will actually light up when you turn on the selfie camera, which I think it's pretty cool. Plus, it is also a Super AMOLED display. That means the colors emitted are vivid and everything from the images to the text are clear and sharp. Powering the device is an Exynos 7904 processor that's mated to 4GB of RAM and 64GB of internal storage. The A30 also runs on Android 9 Pie with One UI, which is a good thing. It has a brand new set of icons now, and the company has focused on making them easier to use with just one hand, since most of Samsung devices are actually quite big these days. So take the settings as an example. Now most of the things that you need to use are now located at the lower portion of the app. That means you can interact with all the elements without stretching your thumb all across the place. Now let's talk about its camera. Like I mentioned before, this device comes with a dual camera setup. It consists of a 16MP f1.7 main camera and also a 5MP wide angle lens. But sadly in Malaysia, the Samsung Galaxy A30 does not come with support of Samsung Pay. For those who didn't know, Samsung Pay is actually the company's mobile payment system. Even the more expensive Galaxy A50 does not come with it. In Malaysia, the device is priced at 799 ringgit, and for the same price, you also can get the Galaxy M20. The difference between the two is that the M20 gets a larger 5000 mAh battery, which is a plus for someone who does not have access to any charging points throughout the day. It has a smaller 6.3-inch PLS TFT, which is another variant of LCD. But they do share some similarities. The M20 and A30 both have the same processor, same amount of RAM, and also the same amount of storage. But if you have extra money to spare, you can get the Galaxy A50. So for an additional 400 ringgit, you will be getting an in-display fingerprint scanner, a more capable Exynos 9610 processor that's mated up to 6GB of RAM and 128GB of internal storage. It also has a triple camera setup that consists of a 25MP f1.7 main camera, an 8MP ultra-wide angle lens, and also a 5MP camera for depth effects. But other than that, they also share the same 6.4-inch Super AMOLED display and also a 4000 mAh battery that charges via USB-C. That's all from me. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, like us on Facebook, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and also hit the notification bell icon so that you'll be informed whenever we post a new video. So do check out our latest video here, and also another video here. Okay, I'll see you in the next one. Bye!